Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video we'll be looking at how I achieved this my head wrap very fast. So let's get started. Guys, welcome back once again. So this material I'm using is it lycra? I'm not so sure of the material, but what I can use to describe it is normally I think they use it for hijab material, or it is that kind of material that is stretchable. So let's get straight into the video. After I've gotten that my material, so I just folded it into two equal parts. Then I place it on my head the way you watched earlier. Then the remaining one, I make one very short. One is very short, so the other one is very long as seen. So the shorter one you tie it at the back, and this longer one you come to the front. Look at where it's reached before I begin to knot it the way it is seen in the video. For you to understand well, please just watch, concentrate and watch. So I tie it the first time, and here is the second time I'm going. I have also tied it the second time. Hope you see the way I tie it. So that is how to tie it. So I have the excess that is left. Then I'm trying to roll it. That place, I'm rolling to the other side, but it's giving me that look. I don't like it. So I have to change the side to the front. So I turn it forward. So when you are doing your own, to watch it. So, and the excess, I'm knotting it at the back. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and subscribe to this channel. Follow my channel, please. Okay, let's continue with this. Now the knot at the front, then I begin to stretch it out. Why is this so easy to stretch like this? I said it's something stretchable. It's like elastic, it expands. So that was why I was able to do that easily like this. So I just stretch it, and that is where the beauty of the head wrap is. You just stretch it out, and it gives you that pumpkin look, beautiful look. So that is what I'm doing there. So I'm just doing and doing until I'm satisfied. So until you are satisfied, you keep on stretching and stretching until you achieve what you want. So I'm not satisfied, that's why I'm still working with it, trying to stretch and stretch and stretch. So that is it. It is very simple, very simple. It can take you less than 3 minutes to achieve this edge wrap. Trust me, guys. So I am done, and you can see that my look, I've been serious all this while. So when I have that look that I want, I'm a bit happy. So I try to cover my hair. I like my hair to be covered a bit with the head wrap or gele. So I try to do that, and here is the outcome. Your girl is done. She is done. See that look. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and see you in my next video.